My Sound Box by Jane Belk McCure. Illustrator Rebecca Thornburg. This is Lyra, can you trace This is cursive Can you trace Thank you. My sound box. Little had a box. I will find things that begin with my sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. Little found eggs. He found lots and lots of eggs. Did he put the eggs into his box? He did. Little found elves. The elves danced and danced. Did little put the elves into the box with eggs? He did. The elves played with the eggs. Be careful, elves, said little Now the box was heavy. So little found an elephant. Hop on, said the elephant. The elephant went up and down. The eggs fell out of the box. The elves fell too. So did little That was a bad bump, he said. What a mess, said little Now, who will help me fill my box? An Inuit boy came by. I will help you fill your box, said the Inuit boy. I know where we can find lots of eggs. Guess who had eggs for little Guess who had pretty eggs for everyone? Little word list. Egg, elephant, elves. Other words with sound. Eggplant, elbow, elevator, elk, engine, envelope.